can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I take it, every move I make feels lost in no direction. My faith is shaking, and I gotta keep trying. I gotta keep my head held high. Yeah, there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. There's always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. Thank you, everybody.